You searched how to buy shares of Lake Resources NL, a company developing lithium projects listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker LKE.ASX. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LKE.ASX to find the listing. Make sure you select the CBOE AUS entry so you reach the correct Lake Resources NL stock. Open the stock page to view the company overview, business focus, and a price chart. Confirm the ticker and exchange details to ensure this is the correct Lake Resources NL listing. Click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order and confirm to submit it. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the example.